Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to customize our invoice that we're going to be sending to clients. We're mainly going to work with the default form, even though you can create as many invoice forms or types as you like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this business area, and then we're going to go to the business actions, and we're going to pull the drop down menu, and we're going to go to the invoices and estimates. And then we're going to go to Design Invoice Forms. This will open up a dialog box that will bring to you the default menu. So what you want to do is you'll want to design this form in the manner that you like. For example, if you'd rather not use a logo, you don't have to, or you can use a logo. If you'd like to put your company address in your invoice, you can do that. In some cases, if you're an online business, you may not want to do that. If you want to change the fonts, you can do so. Now, the main thing that you'll want to take a look at here is that each section of this invoice is customizable. So, for example, you'll notice that if we highlight the total box and we were to go to the layout menu and we would go to the item menu and we would go to properties, we can actually customize each one of the boxes that we highlight. For example, if we wanted to use sales tax, we could do that. If we want to take the sales tax back out, we can do that. If we want to work with a specific layout in this area, we can do that. We can do that by going to the properties area. And for example, if we find that quantity or rate is irrelevant, then we can take that out of our invoice. And you'll notice here, then we just have a description and we have the amount. So what you want to do is you want to customize the invoice to fit your business. Again, if you're an online business, then the ship to address, that would not be relevant. You can take that out. If you find the logo is not exactly what you want, you can actually go into this box and you can customize it. Or you can decide not to have it at all. The logo will be taken out. Once you determine that the default menu fits your specifications, you can actually go to the layout and then you can click Save. Now it could be that you want to create an entirely new layout and you want to create a second default invoice. You would go to the Layout tab and then you would click New. It would ask you what kind of layout type you'd want. You can do an invoice, estimate, or credit, whatever one you'd like to have. You'd give it a name. You can give it a portrait or landscape orientation. And then you can click OK. And then the same customization elements we spoke of previously would be in place. If you want to take something out, you can click on it, go to the Item tab, go to the Properties, take out Sales Tax again, and you can take out the Ship to address or leave it in. So anything that you want to do with this invoice that fits your business, you can actually do. Once you have created the invoice that you want, you go to the layout and then you click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.